This video guides you in disassembling the control knob assembly. This procedure is the same for both the hygienic and the industrial pumps. Be sure to have the following required tools before starting. Perform the steps to prepare the equipment for repair as described in the manual. Disconnect the power. Disconnect the control cover. Refer to the Disconnect Control Cover video. Loosen the control knob fasteners. Remove the control knob and seal. On the back of the control cover, remove the fasteners on the control knob mounting bracket. Remove the encoder assembly from the control cover. Loosen the nut on the encoder assembly. Remove the control knob mounting bracket. Inspect parts for wear or damage. Replace as necessary. Verify that power to the system is disconnected before reassembling. Insert the encoder into the control knob mounting bracket. Securely tighten the nut on the encoder. Insert the encoder assembly into the control knob hole on the control cover. Insert the fasteners through the control knob mounting bracket. Torque to 20 inch-pounds. Install the seal on the control knob. Install the control knob. Ensure the mark on the control knob is aligned with the off position on the control label. Securely tighten the control knob fastener. Ensure the control knob turns properly. Follow the steps in the Reconnect the Control Cover video.